My name is Sean Kapoff, and I'm the Executive Director at One Atta Time. So today was an incredible day where there were a couple hundred high school students from Laguna Beach High School provide 400 families in Vietnam access to clean drinking water.
Hello, my name is Tess Milowitz and I'm a senior at Laguna Beach High School. So today we gathered with our whole senior class to do a service project, and we built water filters that were going to be used for children and families in Vietnam who don't have access to clean drinking water.
Hi, my name is Katie Dortez. I'm a current senior at Laguna Beach High School. Today we physically had to build the water filter step by step, component from component. So basically we were given just a bunch of separate pieces and we had to screw them together and put them together.
Every single family who gets access to clean drinking water is through a bucket filter. And part of the process is taking these pieces in a bag and putting them together so that when our local leaders go out and distribute it in country, it makes it an easier process for them to give clean water.
It feels more personal making something with my actual hands rather than just doing it online or talking about helping or donating in a way, because it feels like I'm really taking part in making change and I'm really physically almost giving something tangible to these people and helping them.
I'm just so grateful that we have such a humanitarian-based school that allows us and gives us these opportunities at such a young age. Because I think just even throughout all 4 years at LBHS, I realized the importance of giving back to my community, and not only my community, but globally and across nations.
Having students stretch out and think outside of their own community to the global community to be a part of a solution is really incredible to watch.
I think Flow has been a really impactful experience on me. My freshman year, of course, as a freshman, I thought, oh, I'm too cool for Flow, what even is this? But more and more I was exposed to it, it made a broader impact on my life.
Flow's just made me so much more aware, and again, like I said, it's made me love coming to school, and when we're writing poems about the ocean and learning about fire and the fire that happened here in Laguna Beach. So I think it's made me excited for the future, especially that we have such empowered youth these days who really want to make a change in the world and fight global warming together.
I would say to those in developing countries and places where access to things that we have here in the States, I would just simply say that we see you and that we love you, and my hope is that more of us would come alongside and build a relationship with those of you who are in need, and that ultimately that we could come together, not as greater or lesser, but as humans, to love each other and to share with one another.